Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Piyush Shamani Official. Since you guys know we are food bloggers and travel bloggers, so we make a lot of videos. तो मैं अभी रिसेंटली सर्च कर रहा था Amazon पे फॉर एक्शन कैमरा और मेरे हाथ में आया है Akaso EK700 Pro. So whenever you think of action camera, the only brand that comes to your mind is GoPro. But this time around, we wanted to explore other brands. So we have chosen Akaso and we purchased this camera from Amazon for rupees 7,000 only. So this Akaso EK700 Pro camera is an Ultra HD 4K edition which comes with a lot of accessories and equipments. According to Amazon, this product has a lot of features which we wanted to explore. So let's do unboxing.
So here are some features that we really like in this camera. It has integrated wireless network. The view angle lens is adjustable. The remote control comes included. The storage is also good and so is the battery backup. They have provided 2 backups with this. The mounts and accessories are all included. It is multi-language which makes it perfect for international use, and the very best part is even though they have provided with a waterproof mount, even the camera is waterproof up to 3 feet.
So let's do unboxing. Oh, it has a lot of accessories inside. What all does it have? Oh, it even has a remote. Some mounts. That's another case. Some more mounts. They have 2 batteries. So this is the reference guide, a quick reference guide for this camera, and this is probably the warranty card, which is for 12 months. I'm loving the camera and its features. Now it's time to test it outdoors.
Hey guys, so we are riding on a scooty while shooting with this action camera, and you can see the voice quality and the image stabilization. We are going at the speed of 15 kilometers per hour, which is not much. And this is the picture quality, video quality, sound quality of the camera. Now we are going faster at the speed of 30 kilometers per hour, and this is the stabilization. So now we are inside a park and we are going to shoot here and show you how the camera works. The good part about the camera is that while you're shooting for a longer time, the screen will shut off to save battery. The battery backup is really good.
Akaso EK700 Action Pro camera is great for adventures, bloggers and travelers. It even has a waterproof case which is great for underwater shooting. And the best part is it has a lot of mounts coming along with it as a part of the kit. So now I'm going to tell you about the pros of this camera. It comes with a waterproof case. It has a touch sensitive 2-inch touchscreen, good EIS 1080 pixel video recording, lot of mounts along with this kit, 2 batteries for a good backup, and it's very affordable. So a couple of things which could have been better in this camera are the camera shakes a bit at high speed, which you can see from our video. Secondly, it doesn't have autofocus. Rest, it's a great camera at a very pocket friendly price. So I'll recommend you to buy this camera and record as many videos as you can. You can find the Amazon link of this camera in the description below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Piyush Amini Official. And if you like the video, please like and share it as much as you can.